Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this super cool 12-inch pan. It actually comes in a 12 and other sizes. In fact, it even can come with lids. This is just the pan, but this is a really nice pan. We've done a lot of pans and this thing here is solid. And it doesn't have any of that weird Teflon coating. This is a titanium pan. And it actually came where you had to put on your own handle, super easy to do. And they did include the little wrench to do that, but it was just tightening down a couple of little screws on there, which is great. Now the fact this doesn't have any of that coating makes me feel comfortable. It's got this reinforced titanium layer. It kind of looks like Spider-Man had a field day in here. Absolutely love this texture and design. That's going to help with the heat dissipation. And another beautiful thing is it's multiple layers on this, including a magnetic base that has the ability to absorb heat, so it can be used on regular or convection as well, or even on an open flame. Now you got to wash it. I'm going to go ahead and get it put on here, and we're going to go ahead and get this turned on, and we're going to turn it on. You're going to want to use maybe a medium to low heat because this holds and retains the heat with the titanium a lot more than a traditional pan. And after you've washed it, you're going to want to go ahead and coat it with a little bit of oil or whatever it is that you use. We use a little bit of avocado oil or whatever in here. And then I'm going to go ahead and heat this up, let this get nice and hot, and we're going to cook an egg in here and show you how it works. So I've had this running here for just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and put one of these in here and let him start to go. And as you can see, already cooking it up nice. Got it going in there. Again, as we're going here, I cannot stress enough how happy I am. This is not a Teflon coated or any kind of a weird coating, all solid metal. That way, even if you're not using these and you're using an actual metal, you're not going to hurt this thing. I mean, it's a metal coating. You're not going to hurt it, which is great. Now, as this gets cooking here, we're going to see how easy this thing slides around. So, look at this. Okay, I kid you not. This has not been doctored in any way. I have never had a pan that does this with an egg. Our other pans, even the Teflon pans, you put an egg on there, even with some oil, it ends up sticking to there and you end up scraping it off. I mean, this is nuts. I think that's fantastic that is just sliding down around there like that. This thing is going to be effortless to clean. Now, it'll actually handle up to 1,000 degrees if you're going to be using this on a hot surface. If you're going to be putting it in the oven, it does up to 500 degrees. The whole thing can go in the oven. That part is great. I'm still super stoked about the fact that just slides around on there. That is just so cool. So that's going to cook up really nice. The other thing is it actually can go in the dishwasher as well. So once you're done washing it, of course, you're going to want it to cool down. We'll go ahead and save that for my puppies. We'll give that to them here in a minute. But this can wipe out of here, rinse it out once it cools down. You can wash it in the sink. You can wash it in the dishwasher, which is great. And I mean, look at that. That just cooked an egg. And it is completely and utterly clean and shiny. This is an absolutely fantastic pan. I am blown away, I'll be honest. We've done a lot of pan reviews. So far, this has got to be one of the better pans we've done. Thank you guys for sending it.